Are you seeing the message, "A setting needs your review on Instagram and unable to use some features properly"? In this video, I'll show you simple methods to fix this Instagram settings review problem step by step. Okay, let's go to phone settings. Find App Manager to get Instagram. Click on Storage. Now clear cache and data. Enable all permission. Now go to Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version. At last, open Instagram and log in your account. Hopefully, your problem will solve successfully.